Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this. I don't remember doing this one, but I'm gonna throw it out there just for you. All right. 2019 Honda Odyssey, 3.5 liter engine, synthetic oil, 0W20, 6 quarts. I hope you enjoy the video how to do the oil change. And now I'm gonna teach you how to reset the oil life. Maybe this cluster looks familiar. Yeah, Honda Pilot has it, and I believe Honda Accord has it. 2019, 2020, those years. Yeah. Alright. Well, back to the oil life reset. There's two ways. Right here with this guy right here, and I believe through this, but we're gonna do both. All right, here you're gonna see that message. You start the car. Let's start the car from I'm gonna start the car. Okay, it's running right now. You see that message or whatever, press enter to dismiss. You're gonna see that menu. Going to scroll down with this, okay, until you see that one. Press enter to go in. Go down, oil life, enter. You see that oil life 30%, A1, remember that, okay? Now press enter and hold it. Until you see that. Now you can let it go. Go down. You can do all items for to reset all the reminders. or you can just do the A. Remember it said 30% oil life A1. Okay. You can do this one just to do the oil life, or do that one. Okay. If you don't choose one, it's gonna kick you out and do it again. Okay, so you have to press it again and hold it until it takes you to the menu again. You see the A1? Okay, that's only for oil life. Okay, I'm pressing it and holding now until. Okay, now let it go. Let's do that one. Okay, press enter. Reset completed. Alright, oil life 100%. That's one way. The other way is through here. I believe so. Let's do it. Go to settings. Go vehicle. Maintenance information. Oil life 100%. Well, because I just reset it. But if you didn't, go there. Oil and filter, reset. Reset B, oil and filter, reset it. Oil and filter, reset. That's how you reset the oil life in this vehicle, and how to do the oil change. Hey, also check the difference between the oil. I use this brand called how's it called? Parts Master. Okay. It looks like they upgrade the oil filter, because if you see in the video, when you see the oil filter, the inside has a different configuration, different from the new oil filter that I put in this vehicle. So check that out. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comment box for me. I want to know what you think. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you up later. Alright, any questions, anything, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. Like I said, Astu, Burung, hey!